Alright, hello year 7 again. So, in this lesson, I'm going to practice with you some words, and we're going to also mention how, or like, we're just going to have some exercises over the syllables lesson and how. Alright, a word like beautiful. A word like the word beautiful. How many vowel letters it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, 5 vowel letters. How many syllables it has? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What do you think? It has 3 vowel sounds only. How and why? Because these 3 letters, E, A, U, are pronounced just one long U sound. Bew, bew. This is one sound. So I'm going to make a cut here. T, T, another cut. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Right? So it only has 3 syllables. Alright, a word like interesting. Interesting. How many vowel letters it has? 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 vowel letters. But how many vowel sounds it has? How do I pronounce this word? Let's think. If you're guys, very important thing. If you're pronouncing the word incorrectly, you're not going to be able to know how many syllables this word has. So if you're pronouncing this word as interesting, interesting, this means it has 4 vowel sounds. Again, interesting, interesting. But this is not the right pronunciation of this word. The right pronunciation of this word is that this E is silent. I say interesting. It's like that. Let's imagine that I'm writing the pronunciation of this word. Okay, I'm not writing the spelling, I'm writing the pronunciation. Interesting. Right? I'm not pronouncing this E, I'm not saying interesting. So it only has 3 vowel sounds, hence it's only 3 syllables or trisyllables. Alright, more examples. Alright, the word is outside. Let's count vowel letters. Here are the vowel letters. And here are the vowel sounds. Let's make it with a different color. Vowel sounds. Alright, so the word outside. Outside. Vowel letters 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. What about the vowel sounds? Outside. Outside. This E is of course silent. So is it 3 syllables or 3 vowel sounds? Is it O at sid or O outside? O at? No, I pronounce these 2 vowels here as just one diphthong or one vowel sound, which is ow, long O sound. Outside. Right? So this ow is just one vowel, and the second is the long I. Outside. Ow, I. It has 2 syllables. Next. The word is middle. Middle. Alright, so counting vowel letters. 1, 2. We have 2 vowel letters. What about the vowel sounds? Of course, we all know that this is silent. Middle. Do I say middly? No. I say middle. Middle. So, is it just one? Because it's just one I. And of course, it's going to be one vowel sound. But no. Here is an exception. So, before, we were used to that vowel letters most of the time exceed the number of the vowel sounds. But here, though I have here a vowel letter that is silent, and I only have one pronounced vowel sound, or one pronounced vowel letter, which is the I, but this word also has 2 vowel sounds. How? Where is the other sound? Alright, so middle. Middle. Do you feel that there is a short E between the D and the L? Again, do I say the pronunciation of this word? Is it middle, middle, or middle? Dull. You feel like there is a short E here. Middle. So, sometimes there are vowel sounds that are not represented with vowel letters. This is some sort of exception. And these words are very rare, and they usually end in LE. The words that end in LE, there is usually going to be a silent E before the L, and like between the L and the letter before it. Another example for this, to make it clear, is like the word able, able, or table. This one is silent, and I only have one letter. So again, we have 2 vowel letters. How many vowel sounds? Do I say able or able? Able? If I pronounce this word as able, then it's one vowel sound and one syllable. But this is not right. The right pronunciation is able. Able. Also, you feel like there is a short E sound in between the consonant and the L, right? And this is the first syllable, A. The first syllable here is just A, and then the second is bill. Able. So which part of this word here is stressed? It is the A. So the first part of this word is the stressed part. Able. Alright. Let's take one more example of this, the LE rule or irregular rule. Alright. The word is tickle. Tickle. Alright, so how many vowel letters do I have here? I only have, again, 2, the I and the silent E. But how many vowel sounds? It's not just the pronounced I. There is a hidden vowel sound between the K and the L. And it's kind of U or schwa. It's usually called schwa. So here it's not E, here it's not E. They sometimes call it schwa. And this is how the schwa looks like. It's a reversed E. It's a reversed E. This is called schwa. It's like kind of air. Tickle. K. This is how it sounds. Middle. O. Alright, tickle, tickle. Alright, so there is a schwa here and here and here. Alright, so it also has two. And also here there are two vowel sounds, and these are all examples of disyllabic words. Alright, so a word like generous. Let's make it generosity. 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 How many vowel sounds and how many vowel letters? Okay. Alright. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is the Y vowel? Of course, no, it's not. The Y is not a vowel letter. Right, so I only have four vowel letters. What about the vowel sounds? Generosity, generosity. Again, G, ner, os, et. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How? Generosity. E. Why did I count this as a syllable and the Y is not a letter? I mean, it's not a vowel letter. Of course it's a letter. Because the Y is semi-vowel. The Y letter is a semi-vowel letter, which makes vowel sound. It makes what? Vowel sound. So another example here of when we have less vowel letters than the vowel sounds is in this word, when I have words ending in Y, because Y, again as I said, is not a vowel letter, so I'm not going to count it in this column, but I'm going to count it in this column because it makes vowel sound as it's a semi-vowel. I hope this, guys, was clear, and see you next session. Goodbye.